Hello, this is Christian for Life Force Microscopy. This is a shamanic technique that I use to cleanse the auric field whenever you feel the need to do such a thing. I usually do this about once every 30 days, and what you are looking at is a chemical reaction using a very absorbent chemical material that you hold in your hands or that you rub all over your body, and then you light it up and let it burn. It is very interesting to watch the different figures that come out of this thing. They literally look like astral larvae or snakes of different kinds. Let's see what we get after a few seconds of burning this. It is really amazing, all of these weird shapes that come out sometimes. So let's continue watching and see what happens. I'm just letting it burn as much as I can. This technique is very common in South America, and sometimes I've seen it in Spain, used by some practitioners over there. Here in Australia, this is really a technique that is not very common. Nobody uses this technique as far as I can tell. See what happens after a few seconds. After everything has burned completely, you can look at the different shapes that had come out, and sometimes you can see faces and other things in the ash. From experience, I know that once you start burning this thing, you don't really have to use, like I'm using now, tweezers to keep it from falling off, which means that I don't think the material absorbed anything bad or negative in the first place, which means that when this happens, the person had a relatively clean auric field. This would be one way to interpret what is really going on when you use this shamanic technique. That is, again, once you start burning, you don't have to touch anything. If you see that this thing is falling off all the time and going all over the place, it means that the person is relatively clean, has a clean aura. If you start burning the material and you notice that it stays put and continues burning and creating all kinds of shapes, it means that the person had a very dirty auric field. I hope you enjoyed my video. Consider joining my channel by subscribing, and I wish you a very happy day, and I'll see you on my next video. Cheers from Melbourne, Australia. Bye.